Namaste yogis. I am Yogi Vipin Singh Farswan, and on the behalf of Himalayan Yoga Association, as a teacher here, I am welcoming you all in this online teacher training course. I am your Vinyasa teacher and I am wishing you all the very best for the course. Namaste. Namaste yogis. Welcome back. So this is the last part of the flow, the finishing sequence and inversion. So let's start. Gently lie down on your back. So we are going for shoulder stand. So prepare yourself, prepare your mind. Stay here for a few seconds. You can come move forward if you want to. Slowly take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Now place your palm by side of your hip. Now take a fingertip support. Press your fingertip and lift your legs off to the mat. Now slowly swing your leg, lift your hip up and find your shoulder stand. Now with the support of your palm, support your lower back and slowly support your upper back. And try to maintain your legs straight. Squeeze your abdomen, squeeze your buttocks to find that straight line and hold here. So we're going to hold here for 10 to 12 seconds. Make sure in between this you have to engage your buttocks and try to keep squeezing your abdomen and hold here for 7 more. Breathe in and breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, breathe in and exhale first. Drop your right leg over your head, tuck your toes in and now interlace your fingers, stretch your hand, slowly drop your left palm, straight your back. Now make sure your hip should be aligned with your shoulder. Instead of making a curve, try to lengthen your spine, straight your back, straight your leg and hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, find your balance, 6, breathe in. Slowly drop your both knees by outside of the ears. Slowly hug your leg and hold this posture here. Again, try to maintain your spine straight if it's possible. And hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Release your hand. Now first, try to support your back. Inhale, straight to both legs up. Now if it's possible for you, then make a lotus by crossing your leg. And slowly, as you find balance, try to tuck your hip in and slowly place both hands over your knee and hold here for 5, 4, breathe in and breathe out. Do focus on your breathing. And 1, exhale, slowly drop your leg down, hug your leg and hold here for 3, 4, 5, and 6. Breathe in. Slowly release your hand. Support your upper back. Inhale. Straight your leg. Now untuck your leg. Release your leg from here. Now slowly, by placing your hand on your lower back, slowly come out from the posture. Now as you exhale, drop your hip down. Now with controlling, slowly drop your both legs down. Now from here we are moving to counter pose, Uttan Padasana. So place your hand underneath your hip, bend your leg. By pressing your heels, slowly lift up your head. Place the crown of the head on the mat. Lift your chest up, straight your leg, straight your hand and hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release your hand first, exhale and relax. Now slowly move your neck right to left, left and right. Now from here, prepare yourself for Chakra Vinyasa. So place your hand by side of or over your shoulder, side of the ears. Slowly roll back and jump to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale out for upward facing dog. Exhale, go back to downward facing dog. Nice and slowly hold here, breathe in and breathe out. Jump forward, cross your leg and slowly lie down on your back. Breathe in. Lift your both legs up. Now cross your right leg over your left, like we did in the Garud pose, eagle pose. Inhale. Now slowly drop your leg towards the left side and twist your upper back and hold here. So this is the supine twisting. This posture mainly used in cooling down the temperature of body. So that's how this posture come into the last. Breathe in and breathe out. Nice and slowly. Try to place your right shoulder on the mat. Twist from your upper back as much as you can. Now with the support of your right palm, slowly release your leg. Switch your side and switch your leg. Breathe in and exhale. And now twist your upper back and hold here for 5, 4. Try to again keep pressing your shoulder down. 2 and 1. Release your leg. Breathe in back to the center. Keep your knee bent. Now grab your leg. Inhale, lift your head up. Now swing right and left, left and right. Nice and slowly. Massage your lower back. Now breathe in, lift your head out. Try to touch your forehead on your knees. Breathe in, squeeze. And exhale, twist towards the left side. Drop your leg towards the left side. Inhale back to the center. And exhale towards the right side. Breathe in. Squeeze. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, slowly relax for Savasana. Open your leg, open your hand. Now gently take a deep breath in. And exhale, relax. Breathe in. As you exhale, wiggle your fingers. The toes come out from your relaxation. Move your neck right and left, left and right. Now extend both hands on your head, interlace your fingers, turn your palm outside, stretch your hand. Inhale and exhale, point your toes out. Bend your both legs, lying towards the right side. Now, by taking the support of your left palm, slowly come up, cross your leg, place your hand over your knees. Now we are going for closing mantra, 1 Om and 3 Shanti. Stay here, breathe in, breathe out. Slowly bring your both palms near to heart center. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Inhale for Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Stay there. Feel the vibration of Om. Feel the peace in your body, in your mind, and your heart. Slowly down your forehead. Gently rub your palm. Slowly place your palm on your eyes. By spreading your fingers, slower down on your face to your mouth. Gently open your hand, open your fingers, open your eyes. Namaste. Hari Om.